Welcome back, traders. Here's the software that I'm using on my platform. Predicts the moves in advance, so you don't have to sit there and wait in front of your computer. You just get your times of where you want to trade, what times you want to trade, and when that time cycle comes in, you take a look. If it's not your criteria, you do not have to take the trade. All right. So, and this also, I'll leave the links in the description of the video. You have the trading histograms for the Euro USD, the US dollar Canadian, and the Aussie US dollar. So the histograms will be something like this, and I'll give you a time to buy, sell. You just want to look at the times for yourself. You don't have to take any trades on it. Just look to see if the market is going to go up at that time, and if it's something that that will help you, because it definitely helps on entries, low drawdown, in the direction that you're trading. Remember, I'm trained by MTI, and sometimes you want to get that that extra edge on the market for an entry. Okay, so and then this is the time was sent out like 2 days in advance, and then this is what happened. You got a sell marker here, down. Then you have a buy signal to exit your sell position. Now you can take a buy trade, or you can hold it because the trend is down. Wait for the pullback. Now you want to get in on the sell marker here, down. Buy marker comes in again. You could either, it's up to you if you want to counter trend. You could take a counter trend trade up, and then when the sell marker comes, you can exit the trade. And then you got a down marker, and then you got a buy signal here to exit the trade, and then it doesn't. This one's a loser. But if you're staying with trend, you're taking it down. This is a losing trade here. This is a losing trade if you're not trained on the software. I know this is a red dot lower low, so when that happens, the market's going to go up. Okay, traders? So there's a little information on that. And here's the histograms. You want to click on this link for the histograms and just look for the market that you trade, the Euro USD. He has a whole bunch of markets, but we trade the Forex, so this is what I use to get the Euro USD, the Aussie US dollar, the USD Canadian. And then here's a drop box right here, and this is the thing he's going to go over in the webinar. Okay, so that's the information. People have been asking me, how do you do this, and this is the information. All right, traders. So I'll update you with a video. You'll see I'm trading the Aussie US dollar and the New Zealand with prediction of the trend before it happened. I even did it on Sunday. I wasn't taking the Aussie dollar until late if I got an entry, and it was a huge trend on the Aussie dollar and a huge trend, a bigger trend on the New Zealand US dollar. Okay, and then in reverse that, if the Aussie and the US dollar is going up, then the pound Aussie and the pound New Zealand's going down big time. All right, traders, I'll update you with a video. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Aussie US dollar. Okay, was able to get an entry. I wasn't going to trade it in yesterday's session. I just took one buy trade after we had a 10:50 a.m. Buy signal right here. You can see the buy marker, and my stop is right below there. I never even tested it once. Okay, so right now we're in a little consolidation, and we're due. It's gonna do a little dip down. I don't know how far it's gonna go, but then we got a buy signal at 20:45, and then that should last until 3:20 a.m. in the morning. And then we'll see what the trend is doing, if it's time to exit or just stay in. We'll see what happens. Okay, we got a trend lasting this long until 5:10 a.m. again. And now again, we'll see what happens with this trade. Okay, here's the green. We got to close above here in order to continue on the upside. Oh. Alright, let's see. Aussie dollar's not doing anything. New Zealand broke out. with the buy trade here. Currently in the New Zealand long. So we'll see if we can break out. We need a huge breakout for this pair. We got this big time resistance here at, it's going to run into this right here. Had a hard time getting past this. If we get past this line, we're going to 60, 67, something like that. Yeah, we're definitely going to go 67. So maybe we are on our way for this trend move here. Oh, this is plenty of time to make it to 5:10 a.m. before we have to exit the position. All right, so 17:30 to 5:10 a.m. in the morning, we can hold this trade, and we should be good to go. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Aussie US dollar using the Flux power zone with the histograms to establish, these buy cycles and the trend itself. Told you that this, I was going to take this trade here at 2045 because it's a pretty long time cycle with a trend. I'm going to close my last position on Aussie dollar. The other New Zealand dollar already closed, and I'm going to close this because
order filled.
That's the last position, and
order filled.
Yeah, the order fills going on the other computer as well. But as you can see, it came in at 8:45, which is 2045 GMT, and rocketed up all the way until 3:20. You could see you had an orange A stochastic. It started to take a little dip, but it still didn't cross the ATR here, and then it crossed the ATR, and then it held, and then it made its way back up. I think it's gonna dip a little bit now, but I'm just gonna wait and to see what's gonna happen. We got a sell cycle coming, still not for a while, but that's my rules. I'm out of this trade. As you can see, the flux power zone called the trend and the entry on this pair. Okay, now let's go over to the New Zealand dollar. New Zealand US dollar right here. Again, this one I took way back here. Back here at 5:30, got a double dot buy, green dot and a blue dot. This one took a lot more heat, not much, when you consider, with the stop loss. Kept bouncing around, and then boom, it did not take out this because my stop is always below the time cycle marker, and we took off and just kept going, even ignoring this sell cycle at the moment.
Stop filled.
At the moment, so we'll see what happens with that. This could be. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna take a trade on this now. All right, traders. I mean, this is called out the trend before you even have a. Remember, this is a week-old signal. Okay. There's a broadhead. Here's another entry right here on a buy here. All right, traders. Just showing you how this flux power zone with the trend stalker elite works. Awesome. All right, traders. If you need any more information, just let me know. All right, I'm out. Stay profitable.